My name is Anil Nimbalkar. I retired as a Vice President Finance from GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals in 2019 December. As far as my hobbies are concerned, I'm a nature enthusiast. I love trekking, mountaineering, and also do marathon running.
हाय, मी वसुंधरा. मी हाऊसवाईफ आहे आणि ही माझी मुलगी सायली आणि हा माझा मुलगा नील.
I bought this bungalow in 2011 and I really had a wonderful experience before buying it. I think making a choice of buying this bungalow was instantaneous when I met Mr. Ghoti, and I found him so down to earth and so genuine that I did not bat an eyelid before saying yes to the transaction, and I immediately paid the booking amount and booked the bungalow in just a few minutes along with my wife Vasundhara. As far as my experience of living here from the time I bought this plot and then built a bungalow has been really marvelous. I think one of the most important things I liked was that it is surrounded by mountains from all around. And you probably may not know, but the three very challenging mountain ranges, which is Alang, Kulang, Madan, are just behind us. You cannot see those because of the clouds. But I think that is a real great thing which made me feel wonderful about the whole thing. As far as the service level is concerned, I think it's really marvelous. Everyone is so helpful. Even if they are absolutely busy, they make sure that they cater to your requirements. There may be delays sometimes when they are overwhelmed with too many things, but rest assured that we are really served very well, and it's a really marvelous experience by all the people who have been serving us for so long. Maybe Vasundhara काहीतरी सांगेल ह्याच्याबद्दल अजून.
आम्ही जेव्हा येतो तेव्हा इकडचे स्टाफ आम्हाला काही हवं नको ते येऊन मध्ये मध्ये कधी पण चौकशी करतात, आणि आम्हाला जेव्हा यायचं असतं त्यावेळेला आम्ही फोन करून सांगितलं वरच्या टाकीमध्ये पाणी नसेल तर चढवा, ते चढवून ठेवतात, आणि क्लीन करायचं असेल तर ते हाऊसकीपिंगला सांगून क्लीन पण घेऊन घेतात.
So one of the experiences amongst the many which I can share is regarding one incident which took place a few years back when a very small kid almost drowned in the swimming pool, and or rather his parents were not able to really take care of him, and probably he slipped and he drank a lot of water, and immediately everyone present rescued him. I happened to be there, but the best thing was Mr. Ghoti himself. He came along with the boy. I went along with them, and we took him to the nearest hospital at Igatpuri and gave him first aid. And immediately Mr. Ghoti arranged the boy to be transferred to Nashik, and same day he was very well, and he came back home on the same day, and his parents etc. were so grateful. So this is one great memory which I have in my mind about Mr. Ghoti being personally taking care of the residents staying over here. Yeah, as far as anyone who is interested in buying a home here, I would really say that there's no regrets for anyone who would buy a home here. This place has everything. It is in the heart of nature. The monsoons are really wonderful. It gives you an absolute blissful experience. In fact, anyone who comes here falls in love with this place. And as I said, the service is really wonderful. You just don't have to worry about anything. Everyone is always willing to help you out. So I don't think one should bat an eyelid before thinking of buying a place over here.
आम्ही इकडे प्लॉट घेतल्यानंतर आमच्या धीरानी पण बाजूचाच प्लॉट नेक्स्ट डे येऊन बघून त्यांनी पण बुक केला, त्यांना पण आवडलं, आणि आमचे एक फॅमिली फ्रेंड आहेत त्यांनी पण आम्हालाच प्लॉट बुक करायला सांगितलं.